5. Self-discipline habits for a motivated and prosperous life. Self-discipline is the cornerstone of success, particularly when it comes to building wealth and achieving your goals. While there's no one-size-fits-all approach to financial success, these 5 self-discipline habits can significantly contribute to your journey. Strategic financial planning. Set clear goals, define specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound smart financial goals. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or starting a business, having clear objectives will guide our actions. Create a budget. Develop a realistic budget that tracks your income and expenses. This helps you understand your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back or save more. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to savings or investment accounts. This ensures consistent savings without relying on willpower. Regular review. Schedule regular check-ins to monitor your progress and make necessary adjustments to your financial plan. Focused action. Prioritize tasks. Identify high-impact activities that align with your financial goals and focus on them first. Time management. Use time management techniques like the Pomodoro technique to break down tasks into manageable chunks and improve productivity. Eliminate distractions. Minimize distractions like social media and unnecessary notifications to stay focused on your work. Continuous learning. Invest in your financial education by reading books, attending workshops, or taking online courses. Stay updated on market trends and financial strategies. Delayed gratification. Resist impulse purchases. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your long-term financial goals. Delay gratification and save for bigger, more meaningful purchases. Prioritize savings. Make saving a priority over spending. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments regularly. Healthy lifestyle. Invest in your health through regular exercise, nutritious diet, and adequate sleep. A healthy body and mind contribute to better decision-making and increased productivity. Mental resilience. Positive mindset. Cultivate a positive and optimistic outlook. Believe in your ability to achieve your financial goals. Embrace challenges. View setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Develop resilience to bounce back from failures. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques like meditation can help reduce stress and improve focus. Seek support. Don't hesitate to seek advice from financial advisors or mentors. Surround yourself with supportive and like-minded individuals. Consistent habits. Small steps. Break down large financial goals into smaller, achievable steps. Celebrate small victories to stay motivated. Habit tracking. Use tools or apps to track your progress and hold yourself accountable. Accountability partner. Share your financial goals with a friend or family member.